There's been a change in the weather. There's been an increase in sales this quarter. There's been a delay in the delivery of our order. There's been a power outage in the neighborhood. There's been a misunderstanding between us. How about we grab some lunch together? How about watching a movie tonight? How about trying that new restaurant in town? How about going for a hike this weekend? How about we meet up for coffee tomorrow? I'm thinking about taking a vacation next month. I'm thinking about trying a new hobby. I'm thinking about what to have for dinner tonight. I'm thinking about applying for a new job. I'm thinking about getting a pet. I'm addicted to coffee in the morning. I'm addicted to watching TV shows on Netflix. I'm addicted to checking my phone every few minutes. I'm addicted to playing video games. I'm addicted to eating chocolate after dinner. I'm allergic to peanuts and tree nuts. I'm allergic to cats, so I can't have one as a pet. I'm allergic to dust, which makes cleaning difficult. I'm allergic to certain types of antibiotics. I'm allergic to pollen, which makes springtime challenging for me.
I am not good at cooking. I am not good at remembering names. I am not good at public speaking. I am not good at playing sports. I am not good at singing. I'm in the mood for pizza tonight. I'm in the mood for listening to some music. I'm in the mood for watching a comedy movie. I'm in the mood for taking a long walk in the park. I'm in the mood for reading a book on the couch. All you have to do is press this button to start the machine. All you have to do is fill out this form and submit it online. All you have to do is follow the recipe step by step. All you have to do is turn right at the next intersection. All you have to do is practice every day to improve your skills. I'm not used to waking up early in the morning. I'm not used to this cold weather. I'm not used to living in a big city. I'm not used to eating spicy food. I'm not used to working from home every day. Stop talking and listen to me for a moment. Stop running in the hallway. Stop eating junk food and start making healthier choices. Stop procrastinating and start working on your project. Stop worrying and try to relax a little.